Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can save pictures from Pinterest. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Pinterest application. Once you open it, you'll be appear with the home page of Pinterest. Now in here you can see different pictures. So let's say for instance I would like to save this picture. Here on the top right corner of the picture you can see three dots option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now once you click on it, you can see three options again: hide, download image, or report. So in order to download or save the picture, you can just go ahead and tap on download image. Once you tap on it, your picture will be saved to your gallery. So let's see on our photos or gallery. Go back and open up your photos application. So as you can see here, this picture is already saved to my gallery. So this is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.